Hey gang, I just got off the phone with PG&E, and because I don't want to get thrown off the tube, I can't play you the recording. But the idiot PG&E employee admitted that their phone system and their emergency notification system doesn't work. I would post the video of the recording of that phone call, but like I said, I don't want to get thrown off the tube.
Or sued.
PG&E really cares about you.
Yeah, they don't want you to burn. You can die of a heart attack, stroke, anything else, but don't burn.
And it's okay for you to set your house on fire trying to cook with an open flame because there's no electricity.
And it's high wind.
That's a safer fire than if there are electric wires and the tree limbs go flash and burn.